Tesla launches faster Cybertruck charging at all V4 Superchargers. Tesla has officially launched faster charging speeds for Cybertruck owners across all V4 supercharging stalls, after the company began rolling out quicker speeds for the electric vehicle EV just last month. In a post on X on Monday evening, the Tesla charging account announced that all V4 supercharging posts will now let Cybertrucks charge at 325 kilowatts, ahead of the company's deployment of V4 charging cabinets that will allow even faster speeds. Tesla first started deploying the 325 kilowatt Cybertruck speeds at select sites with V3 cabinets last month, after piloting a few initial trials of faster charging speeds last summer. The company's other vehicles cap out at 250 kilowatts charging speeds, which can be accessed even on V3 superchargers. However, the Cybertruck's 800-volt architecture allows it to charge even more quickly, and once V4 cabinets are rolled out, the vehicles will be able to charge at speeds of up to 500 kilowatts. A few other non-Tesla EVs, including the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Kia EV6, also feature 800V architecture, though it's not yet clear if these vehicles will immediately gain access to the 325 kilowatts supercharger speeds. Tesla began quietly deploying its V4 supercharging stalls in multiple markets throughout 2023, stoking many questions about when owners would get access to faster speeds. In November, Tesla also shared plans to improve other elements of its V4 superchargers, including the deployment of longer cables to accommodate non-Tesla EVs, and improving the accuracy of stall availability from navigation. Charging director Max de Zegher has pointed to Tesla's production of prefabricated supercharger stalls at its Buffalo, New York factory as one of the reasons the company has been able to roll charging stations out so quickly in recent years, along with including significant cost savings. As such, de Zegher has said that supercharger prices should also come down as these savings are passed on to the consumer, as was spotted in many locations in late 2024. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.